Out of many stocks, which one to add in today's watch list? More than 150 high volumes stock in the market, then why to track limited list of stocks? Instead, get best stocks out of 150 for best momentum trading. Have you ever been able to track 167 stocks and 16 indices together every minute during market hours? Quick equity scanning spreadsheet. 24 quick buttons of spreadsheet continuously monitors 167 stocks including 145 FNO stocks along with 16 indices. Quick equity scanning spreadsheet. 24 quick buttons are formulated in such a way that it easily scans all the momentum stocks according to the name defined. As you are aware that day trader can be able to make profit either side of the price movement, whether stock price is moving upside or downside. Usually most of us tracks a limited list of stocks based on notification by multiple sources like stock in the news, TV analyst, or on the basis of daily tips. Even after good news, we see high volatility in the price movement for those stocks. We continuously try to understand the positive or negative sentiment of the market for that stocks, but we find ourselves helpless to decide whether we should take buy entry or sell entry to make a quick profit. And sometimes or often we take confusing entry and make a loss. But later, before end of the day or after the end of the day, we realize that there were some more stocks today in the market whose price movement was one-sided throughout the day, and there was a sure chance to make a profit. Keeping a track on the stock related news is definitely a good practice, but when such news based or tips based stock are confusing during trading hours, then to make a profitable day, we should know that how to find some such stocks whose sentiments are completely bullish or bearish in today's market session. Because to make profit easily during intraday, it is very important to find a stock whose trend or today's momentum should easily be understood as much as possible. To avoid such challenges, QuickEquityScanning.com has developed an idea, and that idea is, instead of tracking limited list of stocks, day traders should be able to track all the high volumes stock in the market and very easily should be able to find best momentum stocks, best trending stocks, totally bullish and bearish stocks out of them. To make it possible, quick equity scanning spreadsheets are developed in such a way that helps the trader during market hours continuously at every second or minute to find out momentum and trending stocks, uptrend and downtrend stocks, bullish and bearish stocks out of 167 stocks including 145 FNO stocks, simply by clicking on 24 formulated buttons designed for useful intraday trading strategies. In the quick equity scanning spreadsheet, we have total 167 equity stocks, out of which 145 stocks are future and option stocks. It means you can trade future and option trades for these 145 stocks, but intraday cash trades can be done on all these stocks. All these 167 stocks gets traded in the Indian market with high volume on daily basis. Investing.com. Almost every day traders are very well aware about Investing.com, which provides market related information and stock related information and many more information. Like other day traders, we have also created a watch list on Investing.com. But in our watch list, we do not track a limited list of stocks. We have created watch list of 167 stocks and 16 indices including 145 future and option stocks on Investing.com, and we track all these 183 instruments continuously during market hours with the help of quick equity scanning spreadsheet. See how. As you can see, Investing.com shows live market price during market hours. It means in my watch list, live price of all 167 stocks and 16 indices are available continuously. We can select all the contents of the website by pressing Ctrl A on keyboard. Just press Ctrl A on your keyboard, then all the contents of the website will be selected. You can see all the contents including live prices have also been selected. After pressing Ctrl A on keyboard, just do right click copy and go back to spreadsheet and just click on the button refresh price. You can see there is no prices available currently, but as soon as you will click on the refresh price, you will be able to see changes in the price and percentage change in price. And once you will refresh the price, after that you can use all this button to check momentum stocks. After refresh price, you can see the changes here in the price and percentage change in price. You have to do copy 2 times, just refresh the price. Same activity you can do multiple times during market hours, and you can keep checking all the 24 buttons to get some momentum stocks. The more times you refresh the price, the more you will get a new list of stocks after clicking on these 24 buttons. You can do refresh price multiple times and click on these 24 buttons to check list of stocks. In the part 2 demo video, we will let you know how to create portfolio of 183 instrument within 20 seconds on investing.com. You know, it is very easy to create portfolio of 183 instrument within 20 seconds on investing.com. And we will also let you know how to download quick equity scanning spreadsheet on daily basis from the website www.quickequityscanning.com. Now question is that how quick equity scanning spreadsheet is going to be helpful after refresh price. As you can see, all these buttons are very self-explanatory, and each button search the bull and bear stock according to the defined name. So now let's see which type of stocks gets scanned by each quick buttons in the spreadsheet after click on refresh price. First, we will discuss about features and functions of quick equity scanning spreadsheet. Then we will show you live example of trading hours. Gap up opening, gap down opening. Gap up opening and gap down opening will help you to find those stocks out of 167 stocks that are opened at very high price or very low price. The morning gap is one of the most profitable patterns that many professional day traders use to make a bulk of their trading profits. You must have experienced that it is not possible to track news every day on all the stocks of the market. But when any stocks are opened with very good points or very bad points, then it is clear that either there is some good news or bad news on this stock, which we do not know, but we can immediately go to the financial website and can check. As you know that there are many Indian companies stock which gets traded in the European and American markets in the form of ADR or GDR. You may have also experienced that there are many good or bad news that comes after the Indian market close or during the European and American markets hours at night. Sometimes not only stocks but particular sector or indices also gets impacted due to such domestic or global news. And because of such news in the morning, that stock or index opens at very high price or very low price. And after the market opens, we see that stock prices rise more even after gap up opening due to bullish sentiment. You can look at the chart for example. In case of gap down opening, stock prices continuously falls due to bearish sentiment. For example, you can look at the chart. We will discuss it further in detail. This is the clear opportunity which day traders try to hunt in pre-opening and make the profit by quick entry and exit within a few minutes. As soon as NSE market opens at 9:15 AM, gap up opening and gap down opening buttons plays an important role to find such high price opening and low price opening stocks. Gap up opening will help you to find those stocks out of 167 stocks which are opened at very high price. For example, you can look at the chart. This is yesterday close price and this is a yesterday high price and this is today's open price. You can see the stock is opened with high gap up. So such stocks you can find easily using gap up opening buttons. Gap down opening will help you to find those stocks out of 167 stocks which are opened at very low price. You can see in the chart, this is yesterday low, this is yesterday close price, and this is today's open price which opened with gap down. So you can find such stock clicking on gap down opening buttons which has opened at very low price in today's market session. Once you click on any of these two buttons, mouse cursor will jump directly to these two columns, gap up and down, percentage gap up and down. Suppose you click on gap up opening, you have to go to this percentage gap up column, click on this filter button, filter will get open, then uncheck the select all, scroll down till end, select the shares which are opened with very high positive percentage, then press OK. In this way, out of 167 shares, those shares which are opened at very high price can be found very easily. Suppose you click on gap down opening, again you have to go to the same column. You can just click on the filter button, filter will get open, just uncheck select all. Scroll down is not needed here because in case of gap down opening, stocks with negative percentage can be seen directly after clicking on filter. Select the shares which are opened with high negative percentage, then press OK. So in this way, out of 167 shares, those shares which are opened at very low price can be found easily. Above gap up. Above gap up. What is the importance of above gap up button? As you know, once you click on the gap up opening buttons, then all the stocks which are opened with positive openings will get filtered. But we don't have to check all the stocks. You will definitely select those stocks which has opened with high percentage. But if you want to check out of those stock, if any stock is still trading at above gap up opening price, suppose look at this chart, you can see this is yesterday close price, this is yesterday high price, and this is today's open price. But during the market hours, if any particular stock is still trading at above the gap up opening price, that is clearly bullish indication for that particular stock, and the stock prices in such scenario can even rise more. So to find such stocks, you can click on above gap up, because above gap up button scans only those stock during the market hours whose current market price is still trading at above the gap up opening price. Below gap up, you can see this is yesterday close price. You can look at the chart, for example, then this is today's open price. So you can see the stock is opened with high gap up, but now price is going downside after opening. So below gap up buttons scan only those stocks during market hours whose current market price is now trading at a lower price than gap up opening price. If a stock opens with high gap up opening price and now continuously trading at a lower price than opening price, then this clearly means that profit booking on this stock is going on, and due to selling pressure, the price of that particular stock is now going down. We can also call it gap filling. So using these two buttons, above gap up and below gap up, without going to any chart, you will automatically come to know if there is any gap filling is going on or not. Below gap down. As you know, there is many stocks which opened with gap down. So you can see in the example, this is yesterday low, this is yesterday close, and this is today's low open price, opened with high gap down, and it is continuously falling downside. So you can find such stocks clicking on below gap down button, because below gap down buttons scan only those stocks during the market hours whose current market price is still trading at the below gap down opening price. If any stocks are continuously trading below gap down opening price during market hours, then this is clearly bearish indication for that particular stock, and the stock price in such scenario can even fall more further. Above gap down. Above gap down buttons scan only those stocks during market hours whose current market price is now trading at a higher price than gap down opening price, which clearly indicates that due to buying pressure from the downside price, stock price are now moving upside. We can also call it gap filling. For example, you can see this is yesterday close price, and here it is today's open price. Stock opened with gap down, but now you can see price is moving upside. So you can find such stock clicking on above gap down buttons. Once we will show you live trading example, then you will have a clear idea about these 6 buttons: gap up opening, gap down opening, and this above gap up, below gap up, above gap down, and below gap down buttons more. Uptrend since open. This button scan only those stocks out of 167 stocks whose prices are continuously going up since the market opened, meaning that the stock is making a new intraday high every short time. For example, you can look at the chart. The stock is continuously moving upside, so you can find such a stock clicking on uptrend since open button. Downtrend since open. This button scans only those stocks out of 167 stocks whose price are continuously going downside since the market open, meaning that the stock is making a new intraday low every short time. For example, you can look at the chart. The stock is continuously moving downside, so there is always few stocks which continuously moves downside, so you can find such stock clicking on downtrend since open button for an opportunity. So you can keep refreshing the price and keep clicking on these buttons to find trending stocks, momentum stocks throughout the market hours. Downtrend reversal. This button scan only those stocks whose market price was falling continuously during intraday. You can look at the chart. The price is continuously falling downside in the first half, but now there is a reversal on that stock and the price seems to be going upside. So you can find such stock clicking on downtrend reversal button. Uptrend reversal. These buttons scan only those stocks whose market price was continuously going upside during intraday, but now there is a reversal on that stock and the price seems to be going downside. So you can find such stock after clicking on uptrend reversal intraday. Downtrend reversal. This button scan only those stocks whose market price was continuously falling downside for the last 3 to 5 days, but in today's market session the price of that stocks seems to be going upside. So you can find such stock after clicking on downtrend reversal button. Uptrend reversal. This button scan only those stocks whose market price was continuously going upside for the last 3 to 5 days, but in today's market session the price of that stock seems to be going downside again. So you can find such stock after clicking on uptrend reversal button. 52-week high break, 52-week low break, near to 52-week high, near to 52-week low, yesterday high break, yesterday low break. These buttons are also equally important, which helps day trader to identify bullish and bearish sentiment for these stocks. For example, 52-week high break. This button search only those stocks that are trading above last 52-week high price in today's market session. 52-week low break. This button search only those stocks that are trading below last 52-week low price in today's market session. Near to 52-week high. This button search only those stocks that are trading at a price close to last 52-week high price in today's market session. Near to 52-week high means that there is only 2% or less than 2% difference between current market price and last 52-week high price of that particular stock. Such stocks can be tracked by adding them in the watch list, because such stocks gives totally bullish trend signal, and in such bullish trend a stock can give a new 52-week high price. Near to 52-week low. This button search only those stocks that are trading at a price close to last 52-week low price in today's market session. Near to 52-week low means that there is only 2% or less than 2% difference between current market price and last 52-week low price of that particular stock. Such stocks can be tracked by adding them in the watch list, because such stocks gives totally bearish trend signal, and in such bearish trend stock can give a new 52-week low price. Yesterday high break. This button search only those stocks that is being traded at a price greater than yesterday's high price. Market sentiment can be considered bullish on such stocks. yesterday low break. This button search only those stocks that is being traded at a price lower than yesterday's low price. Market sentiment can be considered bearish on such stocks. 5-day EMA, 9-day EMA, 25-day EMA, 50-day EMA, 100-day EMA, 200-day EMA. After clicking on any of these 6 buttons, only those stocks gets filtered which is being traded at the price higher than particular exponential moving average price. If you click on 200-day EMA, only those stocks will get filtered whose price is greater than 200 exponential moving average price. Similarly, if you click on the 100-day EMA or 50-day EMA, only those stocks will get filtered whose current market price is above 50-day EMA or 100-day EMA. EPS and PE ratio. Once you click on EPS and PE ratio button, your mouse cursor will directly come to the PE ratio column. Then you can check EPS and PE ratio of any of these 167 stocks immediately. Corporate action. Once you click on corporate action button, your mouse cursor will directly come to the corporate action columns. Quick equity scanning spreadsheet shows corporate action for next 7 trading days including current trading day for all the stocks, for all those stocks which has any upcoming event declared by company like dividend, right issue, bonus, stock buyback, delisting, etc., including quarterly results, where you can be able to check corporate action type, corporate action offer, X date. You can see this is column corporate action type, corporate action offer, X date. You can just click on the filter and you can check the stocks on which there is a corporate action. It is always a good practice to keep track on all the upcoming corporate events while doing intraday trading. Home button. Home button is available at every short distance in the spreadsheet on which user can click to come directly at column 1. Just suppose you click on home button, you will directly come to the main screen, and again 24 buttons can be seen on the screen. Support and resistance level. Support and resistance levels can be used by traders to determine entry and exit points both for stop losses and profit taking. In this spreadsheet, 3 resistance level and 3 support level columns are also available for each and every stocks with pivot points. Breakouts. Apart from support and resistance columns, to know breakout constantly 7 more separate columns are available which helps day trader to know quickly whether any bullish stock is being traded above or below resistance level, or any bearish stock is being traded above or below support level. This is current market price, this is your resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance 3, and this is your breakouts where you can see the output as above or below. If your current market price is greater than resistance 1 level, then it will show you above. If it is lower than resistance 1 level, if your current market price is lower than resistance 1 level price, then you will easily come to know below, status as a below. Similarly, you can compare pivot point with current market price as above or below. Similarly, you can compare support 1, support 2 and support 3 level with your current market price. If your current market price is lower than support 1 price, then you can see above or below accordingly, which you can use during trading hours. Very important point to know here about support level and breakouts. In this spreadsheet, if market price crosses to any resistance level R1, R2, R3 and later trading at below R1, R2, R3 level during market hours, it means if you see current market price is 1183 and today's high price you can see 1204 for SEC Limited, but now it is trading at 1183. It means it was already crossed support 1 level 1200. If you see 1200.93 was a support 1 resistance 1 level, and it crosses to 1204, but now it is trading below 1183 point. It is trading below 1200 at 1183.80. So in such scenario only you will be able to see as above. Breakout status for those stocks will be shown as above to make trader aware that market price has already crossed R1 or R2 or R3 during market hours and currently trading at below price. In this way, the market sentiment can also be judged for that particular stock. Similarly, for support level, if the market price crosses to any support level, suppose S1, S2 or S3, and later trading at above support 1, support 2 or support 3 level during market hours, even in such scenario, breakout status for those stocks will be shown as the below to make trader aware that market price has already crossed to S1 or S2 or S3 during market hours and currently trading at above price. In this way, the market sentiment can also be judged for that particular stock. Reset data. You will need to do reset data periodically while using multiple buttons continuously during the market hours. By clicking on reset data, your mouse cursor will come directly to the column 1 and you will be able to see the list of 167 stocks again. Basically, it will remove all the filters and it will take you to the column 1. In further demo video, we will let you know the technique of using refresh price, reset data, and all these 24 to 26 buttons effectively during market hours, which will be very helpful to you in the market hours. So far we have told you about the features and functions of all these buttons and the spreadsheet. These 24 buttons of quick equity scanning spreadsheet easily find momentum and trending stocks, uptrend and downtrend stocks, bullish and bearish stocks out of 167 stocks during market hours. We would also like to let you know about these 3 sheets: index performance, historical price movement, percentage historical movement. How these 3 sheets are also helpful during market hours and are helpful in finding bullish and bearish stocks. Index performance. This index performance worksheet enables day traders to continuously watch 16 indices performance at one page throughout the market hours. As you know, trading starts in NSE market at 9:15 AM and investing.com also starts showing live prices in the portfolio of 167 stocks and 16 indices immediately at 9:15 AM, and we continuously copy that live prices and keep refreshing the price in this spreadsheet. We would like to tell you that before market starts at 9:15 AM, even at 9:10 AM, you can copy the prices from investing.com to refresh price in this spreadsheet. Because not only NSE market but investing.com also starts showing pre-market opening index point by 9:10 AM. This first refresh price of 9:10 is very important for trader to take a good opportunity. How? We will tell you. In this spreadsheet, the first refresh price of 9:10 AM in the pre-market opening helps the intraday traders to know high gap up index and the lowest gap down index quickly. As you can see, this column, gap up open and gap down index, you will come to know quickly by this column. Accordingly, it will help you to take opportunities on those stocks whose index opening is either very good or very bad. After knowing very good or very bad index opening, intraday traders can start tracking the stocks of that particular index or sector for a confident opportunity as soon as the market opens. Because quick equity scanning spreadsheet's main page also shows each stock's BSE sector and NSE sector in the separate columns, with the help of which intraday trader can easily track the stocks of any particular indices or sector on which he can see an opportunity. BSE and NSE sector details helps user to know company's actual business and easy to track impact on any small to large sector during government announcement like budget, geopolitical news, national and international news, etc. Whenever you click on refresh price, along with 167 shares, the index point of these 16 indices, will also change, and you can track all these 16 indices including Nifty 50 index along with the stocks. Also, after you continuously refresh price during market hours, index point change after open. You can see index point change after open, index point change after high, index point change after low can also be checked continuously, which will help you to know market volatility in today's market session. Index point before refresh, latest change after refresh. Latest change after refresh. After every refresh price, this column helps to provide latest change in index point. It means that you will come to know exact index point change between latest refresh price and last refresh price you had done. It means if 2 minutes before you had refreshed the price and after 2 minutes you again refresh the price, then whatever changes happened between these 2 minutes you will come to know in this column. Suppose before 2 minutes Bank Nifty was at 210 points, or suppose 360 points, and after 2 minutes you click on the refresh price, you can see 68 points down. So it means there is some spike happened. So it helps to know quickly if there is any sudden spike taken place in any index. Accordingly, you can immediately try to take an opportunity on the stocks linked to that index. You can also check that whether an index is recovering after falling too much, or is there any reversal taken place after high movement. That can also be checked. Historical price movement, percentage historical movement. There is no difference between historical price movement and percentage historical movement sheet. We track red and green days of the last 90 days for all the 167 stocks and 16 indices in both the sheets. If today's stock price is higher than yesterday's close price, then green days, or if today's stock price is lower than yesterday's close price, then red days. The only difference is that historical price movement sheet shows how many points or rupees have risen or fallen today compared to previous day price. Percentage historical price movement sheet shows how much percentage has risen or fallen today compared to its previous day price. The question is how to find list of bullish stock and list of bearish stocks from these sheets. Let's see. So you can see 15th May 2020 here, then 14th May, 13th May, 12th May, 11th May, 8th May. So accordingly you can see last 90 days. So if you want to select list of bearish stock, then you have to go to 15th May date. You can click on the filter and select red days. In the filter by color you can select red days. After that you have to go to last day, previous day of 15th May. There also you have to select only red days in the filter by color days. Accordingly you have to go to last all the days, 13th May, 12th May, and you have to select only red days continuously to find the list of bearish stock. See how. I'm going to 15th May, filter by color, I will select filter by color, I will select red color. Then I will go to 14th May, I will select red color. Then we'll go 13th May. Here also I will go to filter by color and will select red color. You can see these stocks are continuously falling since last 3 days. Then accordingly I will go to 12th May, will select red days. You can see all these 6 stocks continuously falling since last 4 days. And in that you can see Biocon is continuously falling since last 5 days. You can check the chart of this Biocon Limited to verify. Just type Biocon, just click on the 5 days. You can see the chart how since last 5 days is continuously falling downside. So this is totally bullish indication for Biocon. You can also check Bharat Forge King. You can just click, you can just select 5 days. You can see since how it is also falling since last 5 days. Similarly we can check NIIT Technologies. You can see how the stock is continuously falling since last 4 days. Similarly, if you want to check the list of bearish stock, you have to select green days for all those stocks. First we will remove the filters by pressing Ctrl Z. By pressing Ctrl Z you can remove the filters. Continuously you have to press Ctrl Z until all the list of 167 stocks you can see. Just press Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z, then just press Ctrl Home, then start selecting green days. Start selecting green days for last days. Again you can select green days. So you can see Manappuram and United Spirits are continuously going upside since last 4 days. You can check United Spirits continuously moving upside since last 4 days, which gives indication of bullish stocks. So this way you can check list of bullish and bearish stock using this historical movement spreadsheet. So again pressing Ctrl Z, you can come out. Just press Ctrl Z on this sheet and you can remove the filter. So immediately after checking bullish and bearish list of stock, you can use Ctrl Z to remove the filters. Otherwise you have to go one by one and remove the filters. In the part 1 demo video, we have explained about all the features and functions which are available in the quick equity scanning spreadsheet. We have explained you what types of stock gets easily scanned with the help of 24 quick buttons of quick equity scanning spreadsheet. In part 2 demo video, we will show you some clips of live trading hours to let you know that how effectively we can use quick equity scanning spreadsheet during trading hours. We will also let you know the techniques of using multiple buttons during trading hours to find momentum stocks very easily on which market sentiments are totally either bullish or bearish. Also we will show you how to download quick equity scanning spreadsheet on daily basis, how to create portfolio of 183 instrument within 20 seconds on investing.com, how investing.com are helpful to refresh price in the quick equity scanning spreadsheet continuously. If you want to use quick equity scanning spreadsheet during trading hours, then you can get free download access for 15 trading days before subscription. After 15 free trial trading days, if you find quick equity scanning spreadsheet is helpful during trading hours, then you can subscribe for daily downloading at very minimal charges. For the 30 days access period, you'll have to pay just 18 rupees per trading day, which will be rupees 400. For 90 days, if you are subscribing for 90 days, then you will have to pay just rupees 17 per trading day, which will be rupees 1150. If you are subscribing for 180 days, then you will have to just pay rupees 16 per trading day, which will be 2100. If you are subscribing for a year, then you will have to pay just rupees 15 per trading day, which will be 3960 rupees only. To check our latest subscription price, please visit our website www.quickequityscanning.com. Thank you to watch demo video part 1.